If you feel emotionally drained, pray this with me. God, right now, I come to you feeling tired deep inside. Not just physically tired, but emotionally worn down. My heart feels heavy, my thoughts feel scattered, and my soul feels like it's been running without rest. I've been carrying so much for so long, trying to stay strong, trying to keep going, trying not to let anyone see how exhausted I really am. But today, I pause, I stop striving, and I come to you just as I am. God, you see the weight I've been holding. You see the emotions I've been pushing down. You see the silent battles no one else notices. So right now, I lay it all at your feet. Every worry, every pressure, every burden that feels too heavy to carry anymore. Please quiet my racing thoughts. Calm my anxious heart. Fill the empty places inside me with your peace. God, restore my strength when I feel depleted. Restore my hope when discouragement creeps in. Restore my joy when life feels overwhelming. I don't have to be strong to come to you. I don't have to have it all together. I receive your peace right now. I receive your comfort. I receive your gentle rest. Amen. God, now that I've slowed down, I invite you even deeper into my heart. There are parts of me that feel completely drained, parts that feel numb, parts that need your healing touch. Some days I feel like I've given everything I have. My energy feels gone, my joy feels distant, and my emotions feel fragile. But you promise rest to the weary, and today I choose to believe that promise. God, teach me how to rest without guilt. Teach me how to slow down without fear. Teach me how to trust you when I don't have all the answers. I surrender the pressure to always be okay, the pressure to always be strong, the pressure to always keep going. I give you my emotional exhaustion, the stress I carry in my chest, the worries that follow me into the night, the thoughts that won't quiet down. God, breathe new life into my soul. Where anxiety has taken over, bring peace. Where sadness lingers, bring comfort. Where confusion remains, bring clarity. I trust you to meet me right here. I trust you to restore what feels broken. I trust you to renew what feels empty. Amen. God, I don't want to live constantly drained. I want to live restored by you. Help me release what I cannot control and trust you with what I cannot fix. When my emotions feel overwhelming, anchor me in your presence. When my strength is gone, be my strength. Fill me with your peace that passes all understanding. Let it guard my heart. Let it quiet my mind. Let it steady my soul. I lay down every burden I've been carrying, the expectations, the disappointments, the weight of always trying to do more. God, thank you for being gentle with my heart. Thank you for never rushing my healing. Thank you for staying close when I feel exhausted. Right now, I receive your rest. I receive your peace. I receive your renewal. I breathe in your calm. I breathe out my worries. And I believe that even in this season of exhaustion, you are still working, you are still present, and you are restoring me. Amen. Type restore me if you're receiving God's peace today.